Kanina pa yan nagbibihis.
10 years later.
Plano today is shopping. Ako watch. Siya, GU, Uniqlo, Donkey. Ako Grand Seiko. So, pero kakain muna kami na. Okay? I'll take you there. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So, we're eating here. Tempila, pababa. Up to there. So, roughly mga 1 hour. So, tiyan natin kung masarap. And yung pila. From here, it takes about 30 to 40 minutes. So, ayan. If you go there, pababa. Yan na yung last pila. From here, up to here, break kasi may lakaran. Pero kami mga dito. Tapos from here, yan yung pila niya. Yan lang yung orderin mo. It's just the size.
Or like with Pepsi.
Almost there after more than an hour.
Finally! Don't know what you're thinking. It's like I'm sinking deep underwater.
Cook. Okay.
Yeah. And wasabi, soy sauce, wasabi sauce, and salt for the meat.
Okay.
And this bottle is dressing for cabbage.
Okay.
This sauce different. And this is grated yam with rice. Grated yam potato with rice.
With rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is pickles with rice.
Okay.
Then this is spicy fish roll egg, fish egg.
Egg. Mentaiko.
Mentaiko, like a cabbage.
Okay.
So with rice.
Mentaiko.
And this is warabi mochi sweet dessert. So after.
Dessert. Okay.
And last refill only one coffee. Rice bowl. One cup free. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sandali lang yun ha. You just sear it here.
Soy sauce.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap. Walang a bit. Dapat pala may asin. Kailangan pa ng asin.
Hindi. Pwede naman. Ano? Sarap.
Pero mas masarap yata kung may asin.
Oo. Explain ko yung buong process ha. So this is the meat. It's raw. Lulutuin mo siya dito for 5 seconds. Per face. 1, 4, 5. And then, lagyan mo ng salt.
8 seconds.
Then there's 2 kinds of sauce. One is soy sauce. Another is Wagyu. Gusto ni Jade both. Ako yung soy sauce. Wasabi pala. Yeah. Kanin niya na may konting miswa ba to? Parang miswa na ewan. May mentaiko. Dah, sarap. Done. Sarap.
Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it. Or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby.
Pwedeng 10 out of 10.
Hindi pa. For me,
Hindi pa daw.
Hindi pa 10.
Ako mga 9 siguro. 9.
9 over 10.
Next, hanap naman iba. Ngayon, punta kami sa Watch. Okay, bye-bye. we're done with coffee. We're going to Nanako. Second-hand watch. And then we're going to Ginza. May Grand Seiko doon. So it's all about me today. Mega Donkey.
Mamayang gabi, lagot yan sa atin.
Oh. Ayan ang mga galing sa school. Mag-isa lang sila.
Nila may sombrero.
We're arriving. Tapos na yung upo namin. Bawal magsalita dito. So I'm whispering. With window shopping. Walang nakita. Pero may nakita kaming isa. Yung kausap ko sa Chrono. Hindi pa ako pinapatawad. Tingin na siya ng tingin ng watch. Tingin lang. Welcome to Ginza. Up next, Longshan. GU time! Iniwan ko muna si Jade sa GU. Ako pupunta Grand Seiko.
Ten years later.
Dalawa. Di-dividing pa yan ha. Kasi babalik pa kami.
Ito yung yes file including this. This is the no file. So,
May file pa siya.
files.
May file pa siya.
Ha?
May mga file pa siya. Ano na, we're done with GU. Next stop is Lululemon and Uniqlo. May pila siya. Pila ka. Time check, 8:05. Sa tayo Ginza. We're going to have dinner. Very random yakitori place around Ginza. No? Pagod. Walang nabili. Okay.
Meron na.
Ay, oh, meron pala. GU. Dinner for tonight. Tori G. Para lang siya Tori-tori.
A few moments later.
Done eating. Hindi masarap. Chicken skin was soggy. Chicken was okay. Gizzard walang lasa. And, ewan, basta hindi masarap. So, out of 3 dinners, isa pa lang successful sa Japan. So, we'll look for more. Just waiting for Jade, then we'll head home. With mentaiko.